Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on the application of Bumble. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Bumble app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.